Cordial greetings. I am Diego Acosta. I am 56 years old. I am studying system engineering. I will be working with the process activities in the English course. If I do English activities correctly, I will pass the course. I am going to finish my degree in system engineering. If I finish my degree, I will be a going professional. Then I will study a specialization in software design. I am going to open up a company. I want to build a good future. I want to be a professional and responsible person. I will have finished my career in that specialization in 10 years. I will have my own company generate many jobs. I open married to my current partner and I will continue the farm. I'm very happy. I will have visited many beautiful places in Colombia and the world. My son will have finished university, Beijing, a great civil engineer, and I will be studying Indian specialization or a return or country on the able perform as a great professional. We will be a very financially stable family. I expect to retire and live an old age in peace with my wife with working above economy. My son will visit monthly. He will come with the grandchildren to spend moments with the family and then remember the pleasant years they lived in the past. I will be very happy at the end of my life. Thank you.